Hello everyone, this is Mukundan Raghavan, and this video we are going to see the cross-browser testing using the Playwright, especially in our framework. Again, one more time, Playwright has the pre-built or predefined support for the cross-browser testing. However, we will try to understand in very simple way what is cross-browser testing. Apart from opening the browser, what are the different items or the different parameters or the different options which will make the difference when you do the cross-browser testing. Let's jump into the video. Let's go to the Google browser and open any website. For example, here I just opened the sasdemo.com. You might opening with Edge browser, Chrome browser, or Safari browser based on the OS, based on the system, based on your preference. However, you can have the simulation. So what is simulation? Rather than having the actual device, you might change something different. For example, if you just go to your developer tools and click on this icon, which is showing like a laptop next to that a small icon, maybe the mobile. If you just click on that, you will be having the different options to choose. For example, iPhone SE, iPhone XR, iPad, Surface Pro, Nest Hub, whatnot. There will be a lot of things. Here, are we testing on the real device? No. We are just simulating how the device looks like. Apart from that, if you go to the network, you might be having the different concept called 3G, slow 3G offline mode, so that you can see how your application behaves in the 3G mode, in the 4G mode, in the different settings. Apart from that, when you go for the browsers, we may be working only on the URL bar, but still we might be having the different plugins. In Chrome, it works in the different way. In Edge, it works in the different way because it has its own market area, so that we will be seeing the different things, not only our application. Sometimes it's very essential that the user of your application should have the same experience no matter which browser they are using. So that's the main motto of using the cross-browser testing. Let's see how to do that in Playwright. If you go to the Playwright configuration again, by default, you will be having the setup for configure projects for the major browsers. And most of the time in the initial place, it will be commented. When you uncomment, you can see the different things. For example, Chromium devices will be the desktop Chrome, Firefox, WebKit actually for the Safari browser, and mobile Chrome. In mobile Chrome, I am just simulating the Pixel 5, iPhone 12, and after that, the different Edge browser and other browsers. So do I need all the test cases in this? Definitely not. But main scenarios should be run on across all the browsers. Even sometimes you might have the different third-party vendors like a SaaS Labs where they will actually give the device. But this is not the actual device, it is a simulation as we saw in the actual browser. Now let's try to run this, a simple scenario, and try to see. If you just go to the terminal again, here I'm using the npx playwright test login test, the same one, and headed mode. And in login test, what do we have? We have the simple login test. Let's see how it executes. You can see all the browsers, all the devices that we have mentioned in the config.ts will be opening and will be testing the test case. See, the same test case has been executed into the multiple browsers, even with multiple device simulation, as we mentioned iPhone 12 and so on. Great. Now you can see the test report. Mobile Chrome, Mobile Safari, Chromium, and then Firefox, again WebKit, Mobile Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, and so on. Ignore about the skip test cases, but there are two failures. In positive scenario, it is very visible that you will be going and checking the service tab or service text. Whereas if you go to the failed ones, it's both are having the same pattern, which is the mobile. And here you can see it is trying to open in mobile, but it is having the different screen. So this is the way you will find the differences when somebody opens your application from the mobile, from the different browser. It will be very easy to find the differences. So this is the way we can run the cross-browser testing. In maximum scenarios, we will be running on the major browsers such as a Chrome, Safari, and Edge browser. Again, the point to be noted here is like we are not running on the actual devices. We are simulating the devices, its screen size, its, let's say, other parameters such as like a network capacity. So again, recap everything. So in playwright.config.ts, it's very simple. You don't need to go anywhere. Just go to the playwright.config.ts and enable the projects. Inside that, you might be having the different browser or different devices. Whatever you like to execute, you can mention that. So this is a simple way we can do the cross-browser testing in the playwright.config.ts. This is all about this video, and always be a rainbow in others' cloud.